Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? So we there Kisetonia again. Mama sweep up. So today we are going to make some coconut drops. And you know say we just in time to come up and see Mama just done finish bake her pudding. What kind of pudding that, Mama? Sweet potato pudding. So you know say me and Mr. Myers are gonna me half. Especially Mr. Myers in love then sitting here him for Sakotino people. You see what I go on? Yeah, but that not say that not say you're gonna have Mavi. Watch a Zaria, she can't wait to get peace. So that is the love. Woo! So you know cut my own, watch ya. No, me no want that way you bite. Me want my own for myself. Me no want you. See there people, lovely, lovely. So we're gonna make some drops food or some coconut drops. We're gonna see what I go on. And Azaria is always in the middle. So let me introduce you to our ingredients. So we have two big coconut over here. Big like my head or bigger than my head. Sugar, ginger, cinnamon leaf, vanilla extract, and cinnamon powder. Alright, so those are the ingredients, and you know a pot right there. So those are the ingredients that you need. Once you have all of those ingredients, you're good to go with your coconut drops. Alrighty, so stay tuned. I'm going to have a piece of pudding here now. And so me now got greater the ginger, Mama.
Ginger, she said, ginger.
The ginger. Yes. Okay. Alright. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. Me ani ambisa pudo. Mr. Myers. Ani ama fina. Ani ama ya fina.
Take that. Thank you.
And me can bet you no use no measurement to make this.
You use the much measurement. You only say 2 cups of flour and me do the 2 cups. And the but me not 2 pounds of potato. No 2 pounds of rice.
Real chef them here people. Potato pudding tastes good, you see? Yum really good. You drink the water, then you wash off your stomach. Yeah, we see man. Oi, oi. So we are basically oxing out the coconut now. Then we are going to wash it. Mr. Myers are ox it out.
It's by the fix. The one in our bag. That you can't take off that.
Fireman, I get the fireplace ready. So guys, alright, so we wash the ginger. Them not finished still, so I am peeling them, peeling the ginger. When we finish peel them, we're going to wash them again. Then I am going to grate them. And you know, Mama the bigger chef, you know. So you know, me have to learn from her. So anything where she say, that goes. Alright. So she'll come go and start cut up the coconut them wash. She'll come finish give them the last rinse off and cut them up. Jamaican real fire woman. Real fire boss. You don't know if you say that, don't. You don't know if you do that. So the coconut, them I get them final wash here now, guys. You have to scrape off some.
Some of the I think not too.
That is not too dark. The color. So you hear that, guys? You have to scrape off some of the brown part off of the coconut so that you don't get your mixture too dark. You don't know about that, right?
No, we don't normally scrape it, missus.
Huh?
No, but
We're
it's
changing
too
the style.
dark.
You say teach me.
No, it's too dark.
Oh.
Hear him now, no, so you teach him.
No, but you know something, and the coconut shell too dry, it's too dark. So you get
A dark mixture. When you boil it,
Yeah.
when you cut it up and
yeah,
boil
you
it.
see it blackish.
Right.
So
So you see that, guys? Tell them, mama.
Yeah, so you scrape off some of the back off right. They don't get it too. When you look on the drops don't black. Back part right now.
Ooh.
Sometimes you got the coconut and the coconut clear. When you take it out, it's clear. Black like this.
Right, understand. So just a little demonstration to show you what mama is saying, guys. You see this coconut here, because it's two different coconut, right? So this one is really dark. You see the brown part on it? It would be looking like the shell have not removed from it, but the shell is removed. Let me just flip it over and let you guys see that. This is it. But the back, which is the brown part, is very dark. So this is what mama is talking. So when she scrape it off now, she wanted to have that look. So that's the look she want, and not this look. But they can use it same way if they want to do.
Yeah, but it's sometimes people don't use it like that.
Okay. Fireplace ready and waiting.
See how this stay?
Alright.
Yeah, it have this nice looking, you know, color.
Alright.
And I got me waste time because you want to move.
Remember, mama know the things. So ginger finished, guys. See ginger here. Coconut all jump over there. So me and mama cut up the coconut now. So the next thing that we do, then Mr. Myers are gonna light the fire, and then one now set on the pot and boil. Where am I go boil, mama? The ginger
And the cinnamon.
and the cinnamon leaf. Yeah. Mr. Myers are light up the fire now, people. So no know, so we mean business. Once you see smoke, you know we mean business. Look at smoke start to blaze up, and you know a real fireman this. A real fireman while mama.
Bad job when me am keep it on.
So we coconut look like something soon finish.
Real keep it on, man.
Real fireman.
Fireman. More fire, more fire.
Azaria love the video. Anytime Azaria see me a video, you know, Azaria make sure she come right in the video, you know.
More fire,
Think
more
she
fire.
easy. Alright guys, so the fire catch up right here now. We are set on the ginger and the cinnamon leaf. Look on the water there, mama. The water they good? Come here, show this in as well. I eat that. So the pot go on right here now, guys. Ginger, cinnamon Cinnamon leaf. You can use cinnamon stick. If you have cinnamon stick, you can use it, right, Mama?
Yeah.
So we're going to allow that to boil.
So I follow me for.
Follow you, yes? What you say, Mama, if they have what?
Cinnamon powder.
Yeah, all right, guys. Yes, yeah. So that is our ginger and cinnamon leaf boiling, guys. But we have to take off the cover every minute it boil over. Coconut done cut up.
Right. Pinch of salt.
So that is the salt Mama just add to the pot.
A teaspoon of vanilla.
So a teaspoon of vanilla, Mama say.
You know, just a spice.
Mm-hmm.
Nah.
So that's the cinnamon. Mama drop some in the pot too as well. I want to see with table. You want to see with table, people? You jump with table. On the outside, I love it. Alright, so the water go on with a heap of thing here, so.
Yes, so I'm dropping the coconut now.
Coconut a drop in a pot. Nothing now, yes, nothing now. That's why everything I drop in a pot.
Everything I dropped in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to make the coconut boil a little, say about 15 minutes. Then you put in your sugar and make the sugar boil down.
Alright, so now you hear that, peeps? Mama say you're going to make this boil for about 15 minutes.
Now
Then
we
we are
drop in
going
our
to
pot.
add the sugar and allow it to boil. Alright, so
Till it come to a thickness.
till it come to a thickness. Me have to repeat what Mama say, because Mama talk, not talk loud.
Yes, until it come down to a thickness, then you will, you know, gum in there, then you drop it on the leaf. And you know,
What got now, Mama?
the sugar is going in.
Alright, so we're going over
So
to the pot.
going over to the pot, gonna pour in the sugar. So you say, well then you put a 2 coconut. So you're gonna put a pound of sugar.
Pot all black up, guys. Cool not done, pan we. And Mama use some coconut. Where coconut sitting here? Coconut butter. Sugar.
Sugar.
Jamaican
Jamaican
coconut drops.
brown sugar. So it's going to boil down. Yes. Gonna boil the sugar
Until it is
until
thick.
it's thick.
Yeah, you get a gum
And
like.
you get a gum.
A paste like looking. And that's
Till-
when you know it is ready.
Yeah. You boil it until now when it come together, and you know you taste it. You get the banana leaf. Banana leaf and you put it out. Wash the banana leaf and you quail it. You put it, you drop it on it. When it is
Hot.
hot,
And you leave it to cool.
you leave it to cool.
And I eat that. Your coconut drops. Now this Saturday, yeah. Mm-hmm. So guys, we have come to the end of our coconut drop. Yeah man, and see mama there. She just dropped them fresh and the ginger and them people. Ooh. So you notice a banana leaf we drop them on. Turn up man, the ginger turn up. So guys, there are some part of the video that I'm going to have to mute because there's a loud music that has been playing and I don't want to get a copy strike. So if you guys hear some part, not hearing some part of the video, it is because I mute it, alright?
A bit more in the pot, so it get hard. So I'm just get it moisture.
Yeah. So guys, you cannot.
Get it moisture. Then you just get that. But it's not plenty, it's just a little bit.
You cannot make it hard. Not even a handful, but you know how we say nothing now, waste nothing now, dash way?
No, right.
From the fireplace, not from the fireplace.
And when you are making coconut drop, you have to serve it right from the fireplace, right? You cannot let it cool.
Here, just won't behave herself. She just into everything.
And she love the video
I
like.
just shine like a bulb. Yes. This is what? What this mean?
So guys, as I was saying, some part of the video, I am going to have to mute it because there's a loud music and I cannot afford to get a copy strike. Alright? Yeah, country festive people. So this is it.
Yes, the coconut drops on the banana leaf and you know how it goes. Just like that.
Back in the days. What more back in the days, Myers?
Young people know them also.
You can't wait for Nyam, so me? Nyam already know people.
Before it done, yeah.
Before it done, you all with the yarn, yummy. So there is a pot on the fire. So this is it for us. Please remember to like and share my videos. Comments, guys. I appreciate it. I read each and every one of them.
I use my two hands here.
Subscribers yet. There's benefit whenever time you subscribe. Yep.
No, you're not right.
Who remember drop?
It burn you.
This is it.
Yeah, back in the days. Remember mommy used to make them something here too, you know?
Yeah?
Wait a kid. Disorder.
Yeah, she used to make you all of them something because them used to have the banana tree plant. Yeah. So I eat this for you guys. We are out over and about bringing you another Jamaican tradition.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Courtesy of Mama, you know, Mama Jess. Uno Noir.
The best? From the west?
And see our great grandchild there. Won't give her a chance.
Alone. As if she don't have a man.
Mm-hmm.